Okay, so the next thing we're going to deal with is the lightning connector for the charging port and the speakers for the volume down at the bottom. So I'm going to just scroll up here, something that we've done before here. We're going to just scroll that bar up to just above section plane, and we're going to go reference geometry plane. Okay, and we're just going to click that face there, and we're going to select just 2 millimeters from that. We're going to click OK, and we're going to press F2, rename it sketch plane for lightning connector and charging ports, or the speaker ports rather. Okay, so we can drop this down now. Okay, so we're going to click that face there, Control 8. We're going to zoom in here now. Okay, and we're going to construct a center line. So sketch, center line. And now we're going to do something that we had done a moment ago. Or not too long ago, we're going to select straight slot. We're going to click the center point. Or sorry, it does. What's it at there? I'm going to have to turn it back on there. We're going to click straight slot, and we're not actually going, contrary to what I said, we're not going to go to the center point. We're going to go left and right of it, and we're going to move it out there. Now we're going to zoom in here now. We're going to move it along there till we can snap the center point. So look, I can't get it into there, but there's a yellow dot right there. It's got to be in the middle. So if you can't get it in the middle of the first time, smart dimension. Okay, click the point there, click the center dot. It should be 32.5. All right, so the lightning connector port is 8 millimeters long by 3 millimeters height. So the radius is one. Smart dimension. The radius is. I have manners, computer. Okay, I'll do that again. The radius is 1.5, which is going to look like it's awful big here, so we might drop it down. And that this distance is going to be 5 here. Okay, no, it's fine. Okay, and we're going to go features, extruded cut. Okay, and it's going to be a depth of 7 mil. 7 mil. I'm going to click OK. And then we're going to click that inside surface again, and we're going to go sketch. Okay, we're going to click that there, and we're going to go convert entities. So here, sketch 14, click that. Come on, computer. Or sorry, cut extrude. There we have to click and click OK. Okay, now offset entities. So click this one, reverse. Click OK. Features, extruded boss base. Now that just looks to me that it went on the did it? No. Features, extruded boss base. Okay, untick merge result. And click OK. Okay. So we're going to rename that as the charging connector. Lightning connector. And we're going to rename that lightning connector port. Okay, lightning sketch. Sorry, I'll rename that again. Port sketch. And then just highlight it all, Control C. Then for this one, click that there, Control V. And that's fine there. And then I can right click, appearance, body, okay, whatever color you want. Okay, gold will go with. Okay, I'm going to click OK there. Alright, now we'll deal with the holes at the back. So we're beginning to pick up the pace here doing these. So we'll go back onto our sketch plane here. So sketch, our center line again. Okay, now our circle. Here at the side. And then we're going to I don't need to, I can actually just do a half of them here. So I'm just going to do one half and mirror it across. Okay, save myself doing it in two goes. Alright, so two circles drawn. Okay, I'm going to zoom up on these circles. Click them, click it, hold down Control, click that. Okay, make equal. Right, now. You don't need to be too worried about size here. So I'm just going to drag that out just a small bit. Click that there, make fixed. Alright. Or sorry, I don't want to click the circle there. I want to delete that there. Okay, I want to click the center point and press make fixed. Okay, smart dimension. Radius would be 1. So diameter is 2. Distance between them. Okay, 6. Now we're going to go linear sketch pattern. Okay, I'm just going to clear selection. Okay, direction is this line here. Okay, we're going to reverse the direction. Okay, entities to pattern, so clear that selection. It's this circle here is the entities to pattern. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in total. So we're going to change this to, we're going to change this to 6. Okay, we're going to push that arrow up there because we don't want them. The spacing is going to be to 3 millimeters, I believe. Okay, perfect. Yeah, no, not perfect there. The spacing can be. We'll see what 2 looks like. Okay, 2's too tight, so 2.5. Okay, 2.5 is great. Click OK. And oh, okay, and I'm fairly confident as to what happened there. So clear selection. This is the direction. Okay, that one there. All right. So 6 we said spacing 2.5. Okay, delete that line. Now under direction 1 there, I think this is what's causing it a problem. So we're just going to give it a line there, and it has to be an edge. Click OK. Now don't let me down, computer. Yes, worked there. So I can click all that and press me. I knew it was going to do that there. So it was. Okay, so click these here. So I'm clicking them, holding down control, right click, fully defined sketch. Okay, selected entities, calculate, and click OK. Alright, now we're going to go features, extruded cut, control, or 7mm will do fine. Yeah, that'll do fine there. So we'll, oh, cheeky devil here. Okay, that needs fixing, right. So I'm going to right click on lightning connector, edit, sketch, and then we'll change that to 5. Or actually, we'll change up to surface. So under direction 1, up to surface. This one here. Bob's your uncle, Mary's your aunt. That's exactly what we want. Now we're just going to mirror that across there. I'm just going to draw this line up here. Okay, and I'm going to features reference geometry plane, this side here. I'm going to turn it around, click OK. We're just going to rename it vertical center plane. Plane. Control and 7. To view in 3D. Then we can drop this down all the way back down. And click that speaker ports LHS. LHS for left hand side. Do you know what? You can click a control C, click this then. Okay, let's move that out. There you go. Now we're ready to do our mirror. So we're flying here. So save our work. Mirror. Alright, mirror face plane is this one. Features to mirror is zoom in here. It's this here we're ready to do. Right click and then it's done. So we can click them again. Control C, F2, Control V, or HS. Okay, now we're really going well here. So we can hide these planes. Make our life easier. So we haven't got well, we still have bits to do left. We have the buttons to do along the side, and we have the camera at the back. So we're going to start dealing with the up. I'm going to deal with the up and down volume buttons on the left hand side. So we're going to hit our vertical center plane, Control 8, and Control 8 again. So just to show you this in 3D, I want to be sketching in that area. So, sorry, what was it? I'm going to click vertical section plane, reference geometry plane, flip offset there, 30, 34 I'm going to write in and click OK. I'm going to rename that plane up and down volume button sketch plane. Save our work. Control 8. So I wanted to sketch the other way. Now, and you know what I can do? I can do the silent button as well in this. So I can. So the volume buttons are down 30 and there's 2 mil in between them. So I'm going to zoom in here, sketch, center line. Okay. Click that there. Okay, sketch straight slot. Okay, with 2 points. Right now, I'm going to select the two of them there. So just highlight there, green the two of them, make equal. Right now, the length of each one is 10, and the thickness or the height of the slot is 2. So the radius is 1 here. Radius 1. So if you have the slots made equal, the two of them will go together. And the length here is 8. Okay, the distance down from the end here is, so I'm going to click that point on that one, and the distance is 30. Can press escape there if they interlock and drag them down. A smart dimension, click those two, and there, that's going to be 4 mil. Okay, I'm sorry, I made these slots, I was measuring them to the size of the button, so we're just going to make these a tad bigger. So we're going to say a radius 1.1 and 8.2. So we're going to go features, extruded cut, now we're going to press Control 7. Okay, so the cut has to go in inwards, so we're going to click inwards. Now 7 is too far, so we're going to bring this down. Okay, so we're going to bring that down to 2. and we're going to click OK. Now, there's going to be the up and down volume buttons. Now, they're going to go outwards from the edge of the phone here. They're going to come out a little bit here, but still have the same profile of it. So we'll just rename this volume housing button. Okay, so we're going to go to something called surface, knit surface, and this one here. I'm going to click OK. Hope they do it there. Okay, I'm going to call this construction surface. Okay, now we're going to call offset surface. Sorry, untick that there. Hit the arrow down here. Scroll. No, have manners, computer. Scroll down here. Click that one there. Okay, ridiculous size that. Go down to. Excuse me. Go down to one there. One should be plenty. Click OK. Now, click the inside there, the housing buttons, Control 8. So go in and click it again there, sketch. Okay, now we're going to see the volume housing buttons. We're going to click that there and just Control C that. Control V. Now we show our sketch, convert entities. Okay, click them all using Control. Turn them into construction. Okay, click OK. Offset entities. Okay, reverse. Do this as well. Okay, 0.25 is too much, so it should be 0.1. Okay. Features, extruded boss base, Control 7. Okay, up to surface. Okay, make sure merge results is off. So the surface offset is what we're going to use, and I don't think it's going to work there now. Just untick that there. We'll see how it goes. Click OK. It's not going to work. All right. We'll just say we'll go blind. Okay, we'll click OK, and then we might see if we can cut with this surface here. Nah, you're not going to be able to cut it with that surface. I'll tell you what, we're not dead yet. Okay, what we can do here is we can go reference geometry plane. Okay, click the edge here, Control 8 to that plane. So zoom in here. Now those buttons are way too big, so they're way too big. Okay, I need to edit that offset. So I'm going to right click edit feature. I'm going to type in 0.4 or 0.4. Okay, now I'm going on plane 6 there. to rename that surface plane cut. Okay, sketch, convert entities, surface plane. Then click that there, convert entities. Same as this one here down below. If it'll bloody do it for me, come on. Click that, convert entities. Now we're going to go surfaces, extruded surface. Okay, control and 7. Okay, blind there. Okay, true all will do fine. Click OK. Now, please God, this is going to work here. Really hope it is. Cut with surface. Don't know if it. Please let me do it there. Selected bodies. Click OK there. Yes. Okay. So now, surface cut tool. Right click, hide, and then on this surface offset, right click, hide, right click, hide. And now we've got our 2 volume buttons there, the way they're meant to be. I can let you do the black there. I'm not going to bother do that. You can do that yourself. Now we've just we're getting closer and closer. We've the up and down button on the right hand side, and then the on off button on the right. Or sorry, we've the silent button on the left hand side, and the on off button on the right hand side is just a mirror image of the up button. So we can start cutting out things to do. Now we'll deal with the on off button. So control 8 there, and we're going to go sketch. Yeah. As a matter of fact, there's something I need to change here. I need to right click, edit sketch. Okay, merge result is off, so that's great. So this merge result is off. Now, sketch. Okay, up, down, volume buttons, center line. Okay, don't need to go on forever there. Just make sure it's in the middle. Press fix there to save yourself time. Okay, now we're going to do our center slot. Okay, so smart dimension. Radius to be 1.2. Okay, length of it here be 4, and it actually 1.2 is a bit big. 0.8 rather be more the correct size. Okay, features, extruded, cut. Okay, 0.2 will do fine. Hey, oh sorry, so the 0.2 or sorry, the 2 mil, when it says it doesn't cut, it means 2 mil is not deep enough. So I'm going to change that to 3. Oh, press Control 7 there. It could be going the other way around. Control 7. Yeah, that's why it's not cutting there. It's going to go flip side to cut. No, computer. Opposite direction. Okay, back to the 2 should be fine. Okay, control set or control and 8 there. And then actually I'm gonna I'm gonna delete that there. Or well, I'm not gonna delete, I'm gonna edit sketch there. So I'm going to sorry, that's edit feature. I'm going to edit the sketch. Right, so I'm just going to go line. Name over here. That's going to delete the curve there at the end. Yeah. Oh, fuck it. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Just do it there. It's a rectangle with fillets at the end. So just delete all that there. No, sorry. Just center rectangle. Smart dimension 4. Okay. 1.6. Okay. Mention there to the end. 20. Okay, then the fillets here. 0.2. 0.2 is a bit small. 3. That's okay. Exit the sketch. Now we can click our volume button. So sketch there, and then half the button there. Sorry, not half that length there. So I'm just zooming in here now. Or sorry, center line rather. I'm going to make that a center. I'm going to click that, make that a center line. So use the corner rectangle there. Smart dimension now. The fucking come on, computer. End point there, 0.3 will do fine. Same as this side, 0.3. Okay, and then I can't even remember what height I made it. 0.8, too big. 0.7. Okay, it's perfect. Now, well, 0.7, or maybe I'm going to have to get rid of those two there. I'm going to have to get rid of them. Feck off, computer. Delete that. Delete that. Okay, fill it. So now I'll bring this, push this out as far as I can. Okay, now I can bring that up. Okay, features, extruded boss base. Okay, mergers, turn off merge result and change that to 2.3. It's all going well. So click out here to space control 7 so you can see better. 2.7 is way too big there. 2.3 is way too big there. 1.4, something better. Okay, click OK there. And we're going to save our work, and I'm going to stop this video and save it.